Somnath Chatterjee, good morning. Thank you very, very much for joining us from Shantiniketan. This is Arnav here. Just want to check the audio link. Are you hearing me clearly, sir?
Well, almost. Thank you. Yes, carry on. Thank you. Yes, carry on.
The numbers are looking like a two-thirds number for the Trinamool Congress Alliance, Mr. Chatterjee. You are not with the CPM officially now, but what do you think?
Obviously, now it's going in favor of the opposition from the results so far announced, or the trend is clear. No doubt about it, seems to me, unless there is some other districts where left is strong, comparatively stronger. I don't know, but difficult to make it up, it seems. Yes.
I'd like Mahesh Rangarajan to share with you, Mr. Chatterjee, a little bit of the detail and also with our viewers of where these numbers that we have of the 88 leads right now in Bengal are coming from, and then I'll get your detailed observation on it. Yes, Mahesh.
Somnath Babu, we are looking at a situation where the Trinamool-led alliance seems to be making gains across West Bengal, including in the rural areas where at one time the left front was considered invincible. We were just remarking, sir, this is the first election since the demise of the late Mr. Jyoti Basu. And you played a very, very important role in West Bengal. And how does it look to you today? Do you feel the political landscape is set for a complete change? When do you think the turning point was?
You see, really it's a continuation, it seems, of the people's impression about the late party, which was reflected during the Lok Sabha polls, and what was thought to be the chance of recovery by the left parties has not really taken place, although in many of the meetings, etc., campaign, there was a lot of public enthusiasm also seen for the left parties. But obviously it has not translated into votes, it's clear from this. But some of the left strongholds like Bardwan and Bankura and Purulia, Midnapur, part of it, and other places not yet come, but even then it seems that the opposition is coming to power, undoubtedly.